paghandaan ng kanilang mga kilig scenes, nagtanong-tanong muna siya sa kanyang mga ate sa loob ng bahay. Alamin nga natin ang nakuhang love advice ni Kisses.
Hopeless romantic. What's the meaning?
Ilang beses ka na bembang, kahit ilang beses sinasabi ng mundo, it's hopeless. Walang totoong love. Hindi yan totoo. Tayo, kahit anong mangyari sa atin, we will believe in love.
Isn't that hopeful romantic?
Sana. Pero hopeless romantic is, wala pa rin akong asawa, pero I still believe.
No, hopeless, they use hopeless because, like, you can't be cured.
Yung mga tao parang nai-love tapos hindi successful. Tawag sa kanila hopeless romantic, hindi.
Well, when you believe in love talaga, kahit na nasaktan ka na, yun ang hopeless romantic.
May mga tao that can't stop thinking about love kahit may mga ibang dapat gawin. Hopeless romantic.
When you love love.
I think.
Yes, I love love.
I love love.
Ang love ba? Swerte-swerte, hindi.
Yep. You will know one day kapag naramdaman mo na.
Yung first heartbreak daw yung pinakamasakit, Ate Cora.
That's true.
Ate Elise, nung nag-break kayo ng boyfriend mo, gaano katagal ulit bago kayo na-love ulit?
People will come. Boys will come. Pero don't be fooled na dahil binibigyan ka ng attention ng isang boy, kahit di ka pa nakaka-move on, you'll go with it already. Sometimes kasi namamali. Parang, sometimes you feel like okay ka na kasi another boy is giving you attention. Pero don't be fooled. Kasi, after a breakup or a heartbreak, you have to give time to yourself. You have to enjoy yourself being on your own first before being in another relationship. You'll know